Hello and welcome to the coronavirus COVID-19 status quo. As we are seeing in this, we see approximately 28,900. Oh, I'm wrong. It's actually 28,99,830 confirmed cases worldwide. It's really scary. Let's see who's the leader. Leading in the front is United States, which has approximately 9,58,863 confirmed cases. It is very scary. Well, we have world leaders making comment on how they are trying to control the situation. We will also see where does India stand. India as of now stands at around say 26,500 confirmed cases approximately. I'm rounding it off. We are also interested to see how is the curve. You might have heard that people are talking about flattening the curve. What exactly is flattening the curve? As we see here, it's the worldwide scenario. You see the curve starts from here and it starts to go up. Here what we are expecting is it should not go in a steep manner upwards. If it can fairly stabilize itself over here, that will be a good achievement. Achievement in the sense this buys out time for the governments of different nations to work out strategy. You see here cases over time. Now you can very precisely see that the curve is just going up and upwards. It should be now coming downwards like this, maybe like you have seen in the bell curve, if you are aware of. So it should be something like that, which currently we do not see it happening. That's really scary. If more precisely I want to look for the situation in India, let's see how does that show off. As we have already seen the numbers, so I'll directly skip to the states and we will try to find out how does the states do in this scenario. We have top 3 Maharashtra, Gujarat and Delhi, and that too in the top is Maharashtra with around 6,817 cases, highest in India. Really a cause of concern. We are seeing various methods adapted by the governments to tackle this situation. Similarly, we are seeing the new cases over time. As we see, the cases are more or less getting established on a simple way, but still I feel that it should now be on the reducing trajectory, which is not happening. As you see here in the curve mentioned over here too I feel that this should now come down. However, you see the curve have risen from 1st April to 26th April. I see that the curve is still on the higher side. We have to make this come down, and I think that is one of the objectives of why the government has put down the lockdown. We as a people together should come and make sure that we help the government to help ourselves. Thank you for watching. This was the update as of now. I'll be keeping you posted as and when there are more updates to it. Thank you.